Hola, it's Crafty Gabby here, and today I'm going to make a very simple and fast card. I'm just going to grab glossy paper, and the glossy paper, this is not dupo paper, it's glossy paper. It's used to print pictures in the from the computer. I just stamp with the Versamark, and I'm going to set the ink with embossing powder in color black, and I also going to stamp the back of the bear. This stamp set bring the front and the back of the bear, and I also bring the you need to buy separate, but it comes with die cuts, and the die cuts you can cut even the PJ for the bear. It's super cute. I'm doing the same thing with the back with embossing powder, and after that I'm going to color with the uh, light changing brushes. Oh, sorry, before that I'm going to separate the two colors that I'm going to use for the bear. I'm going to use a light brown and a dark brown on oxidized distress inks. I'm going to apply the dark brown in the whole bear, and the light brown in the belly and in the mouth. I really don't know if this part of the bear have a turn or something, but I really don't know it. As you see here, is very fast and easy coloring. I also going to use a pinkish red color for the cheeks, and I'm going to apply with a smaller brush, and I just apply 2 dots, blending in the bear. For the small tiny pieces in the bear, I just white gel pen in the paws and in the ears. For the back, it's just one color because in the back you don't have any details that you need to apply a different color. As you see that I say this is a glossy paper, I just set the coloring with micro, I don't remember the name. Boy, I'm going to look for it. It's called micro glaze. I just remember when I almost have it. It's called micro glaze, and I grab the micro glaze and I just do it with the blending tool all around the bear, and the ink it will move, and you can put your fingers on it because nothing is going to happen. Normally when you apply oxide inks in glossy paper, it will be you can see your fingerprints, but in after the micro glaze you can touch it and nothing happen, and it's get shiny. It look more like a sticker. Very cool. As you see, I cut it all around. I didn't use the die cuts because I didn't want the white border, and I just stamped the sentiment, and I did it with black embossing powder also. I'm going to cut this little paper and glue it in the back of this paper, and after that I'm going to cut a circle. This circle, you can do this, you can do this card already gluing it to the card base. You can do everything in the card base and cut the circles and everything. I didn't I I wasn't thinking, and I cut it first in the card base and then cut it, and I used just like a panel, and then I figured out why I cut it from the card base, because I can put the acetate in the front instead in the back. I was thinking that I need to put the acetate in the back, but no, it can be good just in the front of the card. After I glue the acetate with double sided stick tape, I'm going to glue this circular scallop frame After this, I'm going to make just the paper that is going to complete the card. I just cut the panel a little bit bigger than the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I cut it like 4 1/4 by 6, and I fold that little piece, and I'm going to glue. You will see this in a minute. I pass my bears through my sticker maker, and I just glued them down in the acetate. As you see here, I just going to glue the card. This panel is going to complete the whole card base. I just showing here that you can grab the circle and glue it inside, maybe to put another sentiment in the bottom and decorate the size of the circle, something like that. But I didn't do that. I just show it to see that you can do it. And I just glue a little they are like sequins, small plasticky hearts all around to make it look like a shaker, but not shaker. This is the title of the video come from. And I glue another circle frame with the scallops on the inside. I also going to glue a tiny heart in the bear bottom cheeks, and that will be all for this card. Very simple, very fast coloring, fast ensembling, everything. You can have this card in no time. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like them. Until next card, goodbye.